guys, welcome back. Lots to talk about today. First of all, happy Easter to all of you who celebrate. Hope that you have a wonderful Easter weekend. I really enjoyed taking a little bit of time off on Friday because on Saturday it kept feeling like it was Sunday and the week was going to start again, and I realized I had a whole extra day, so it felt amazing. So hopefully you had that feeling too of just getting a little bit of an extra breath this weekend. I felt super relaxed lately, and I'm attributing it to I started taking Pilates classes all the time, and I have loved them. A friend of mine opened a studio in the area, and so I've been going all the time, and I am having so much fun. Okay. Let's talk about deals because tons of clearance. I'm going to talk about that last. I want to tell you about the deals that anyone can do this week. And then I will mention additional food deals as well. Now, the cereal, the General Mills cereal, it doesn't have to be the Cheerios. It could be Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It could be, I don't know, all the General Mills cereals. It could be any of them. They're $1.99 this week. There is $1 off to digital, as well as 50 cents back on Ibotta for each of them. So we're going to pick up two. That's $3.98 minus the $1 digital. We'll pay $2.98. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each, making it $1.98 for both of them, or just 99 cents per box. Now, if you have no idea what Ibotta is, it is a cashback rebate app, completely free to use. I do have a full tutorial on it, but the best part is if you don't have it yet, you can score an additional $10 when you download the free app and use my referral code below. So awesome deal for new people on Ibotta. It's been around forever. Okay, let's talk about Scott products because it's a great time to pick up the toilet paper and the paper towels. If you need those products, they're $5 regular price. Okay, there is a $1 digital for the toilet paper, a $1 digital for the paper towels. There's also a $1.25 store digital. That is going to apply for both products. So it's going to take $2.50 off. So follow me on the math. 5 and 5 is 10, minus $1 digital, minus $1 digital, minus $2.50 from that store digital. You're going to pay $5.50 total for both of them, or $2.75 per pack. Not a bad deal. Now, the Degree deodorant, these are buy one, get one, I think it's half off. It comes out to $6.73 for two of them. But there's a $4 digital coupon, so that drops your total down to $2.73 for both, or $1.36 each. Lots of deodorants qualify for that coupon. This was just the least expensive, but if you like Axe or Dove or I think there was another one in there that I'm forgetting, you can get any of those with that $4 digital. I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards where I got some points back for purchasing the Degree deodorant. Now, this one didn't work out quite the way I was hoping because my store was out of stock, and the one I've been going to, which is closer to my house, they're terrible about doing substitutions. They're like, oh, we don't have it. You're out of luck. I'm not packing it for you. So what you would want to do is pick up two of the L'Oreal products priced at $6.79. They're buy one, get one 40% off. So one's $6.79. One's going to ring $4.07 at that 40% off price. There is a $5 digital coupon. I don't know if everyone got it. You've just got to check your Walgreens coupons. So you would pay $5.86 for both. Then you can take your receipt, submit it to coupons.com or to ShopMe'em, not both, because there's another $5 off one coupon. Because we only used a coupon on one of them, you can submit and use the coupon on the second one, get $5 back there, leaving your final cost to be 86 cents for both of them, or 43 cents each. My store only packed one, so it was $6.79 minus that $5 digital made it $1.79. So you could do it either way. There are a number of the L'Oreal products at $6.79 that you could pick up. It doesn't have to be this one. Now, the cashews this week were $2.98. I think the mixed nuts were also $2.98. That's just a decent sale price if that's a product that you buy quite a bit. The Planters peanuts or cashews, These are on sale for $4.99, but there is a $2 digital coupon, making it just $2.99. So if you're specific to this brand, you can score a deal on these as well. Now, the other food deals this week, you could get tuna, the chunk light tuna at 3 for $3, so that's $1 each. That's the sale price. But there's an Ibotta offer for 15 cents back on each. So that would give you 45 cents back on Ibotta, dropping your final cost to $2.55 for all three, or 85 cents each, which is a good price for canned tuna now. The Chex Mix is 2 for $6 this week. That rivals the Walmart price. The Blue Diamond almonds are 2 for $5. There is a $1 digital coupon, making it 2 for $4, or just $2 each. The Nature Valley bars, 2 for $6 on sale. There's a 50 cents off 2 digital, so you would pay $5.50. Then submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each of them. That's for the protein bar specifically. And that would give you $4.50 as your final price, or $2.25 each. The other Nature Valley products had 25-cent Ibotta rebates. So I showed you the protein bar ones because that had the higher Ibotta rebate to it. Cheez-Its, 2 for $6. They are buy one, get one free, which drops it down to 2 for $3. But you can buy those at $3, then submit your receipt to the coupons.com app, get $1 back for buying 2, making your final cost $2, or just $1 per box. Now, last night I had to go pick something up, so I hit a couple of Walgreens on my way. I literally passed right by like 3 Walgreens on my way, and they were in a different part of town. So I popped in to snap some pictures for you guys and saw a number of items at 90% off. Check the feminine care aisle, the drink aisle, as well as the baby aisle. Tons on clearance. Let's start with baby. The Ninjamas. These were on clearance for $1.79. Now, check your coupons in the Walgreens app because there are coupons for these. My store only had one, and the coupon I had was like $3 off 2, I believe. So if your store has 2, you could pick up 2 and use that digital coupon. I believe last week these were on promo: buy 3, get a $5 register reward. I'm honestly not sure if they're on that promo this week or not. It wasn't tagged at my store when I went this morning. And my store was crazy because it's Easter and our main grocery store is closed. So everyone was in Walgreens. And so I just got in and got out as fast as I could. The other baby item I saw was this A&D diaper rash treatment. It was 83 cents on clearance. It was 90% off. Fetch gave me some points back for this one as well. The 7th generation baby wipes. This poor baby's face looked really kind of creepy because it had wiped off a little bit. So we'll show you this side. These were $1.39 for this huge pack of 7th generation wipes. Great price. I also noticed the Mucinex. This was at the end of the medicine aisle. It was marked down to $2.29, but there's a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 29 cents for this Mucinex. So if you like this, check your store for that one. Now, I did notice at those 3 stores, all of these items were on clearance, but not all of them were marked. So if you're like, girl, my store doesn't have that, take it to the register. It may ring full price. That may happen. But you may be surprised. It may not be marked, and it will actually be on clearance price. And that happened to me at a couple of the stores yesterday. Now, I'm excited about this one because a couple of you have already told me, I really like this product, and especially this flavor. I've never tried it before. It's the bubbly grapefruit on clearance for 50 cents for a 8-pack. Not bad to have around when you always have people coming in and out of the house who may be thirsty. The feminine care products. So these are 90% off, and they're buy one, get one 50% off. So it makes it even better. Now, I forgot to write down the cost. I believe it was 38 cents. I'll pop it up here on the screen. So you'll get one at 38 cents. The other is going to ring 50% off of that price. So you snag a ridiculously awesome deal. All of these feminine care products, I've already contacted a nonprofit that I want to partner with for this coming month. And I want to be able to donate these. So I did pick up a couple of each. That way I could donate as many as possible to the nonprofit. Now, this Walgreens Ultra Thin Foam, these were 53 cents on clearance. And then the second one will ring up 26 cents. So 53 cents, 26 cents, great deal on those. The U by Kotex, these were marked down to $1.36. And lastly, this morning at the store, I saw this box here, the Walgreens Super Ultra Thin Foam. These were $1 per box, 90% off. Buy one, get one half off. So $1 for this one. I paid 50 cents for that one. Amazing clearance deals. So the organic ones, ooh, will my memory get there? 63 cents. Don't quote me. I'm going to pop it up here on the screen. Also, buy one, get one half off. So check your feminine care aisle. Check the drink aisle because I saw not just these, but the store had tags up for other ones. They were already sold. So I'll include those tags at the end of the video. Now, if you buy Procter & Gamble products this week, there are... the Tide Simply are 3 for $8. There's some like 50-cent digital coupons there. The bigger Tides and the regular Tides are $5.49, buy 4, get a $5 register reward. There's some coupons there as well. I didn't think the price was good enough for me to stock up, but those deals are there. But more importantly, if you end up buying Procter & Gamble products, don't forget to submit the receipt to pggoodeveryday.com because you get points for those products. You can use those points to cash out to gift cards. It's just another way to get some more bang for your buck. It's completely free. I'll drop a link to that program down below if you're not already using that site. You can access it and start getting a little bit more for your money. All right, what am I forgetting, guys? Anything else? My son is patiently waiting to go hunt all of his Easter eggs. So I want to wrap this up. I'm going to get the video posted and then we are going to go hunt some Easter eggs. Hope you guys have a great weekend and a great rest of your week. Thanks.